Thank you for purchasing the Aloha 2.0 Rain Shower System from Pulse Shower Spas. The Aloha 2.0 shower unit is specifically designed for easy installation and replaces your existing shower head. There are no plumbing requirements needed for your existing hot and cold water valve. This retrofit shower system features an overhead rain shower, a multifunction hand shower, 2 adjustable body jets, and a diverter to change functions easily. Each function operates independently or in tandem for a more relaxing shower spa experience. Before installation, please refer to the owner's manual to ensure all parts are included as shown in the parts legend. Use the recommended tools and materials needed for the shower unit assembly and installation. First, measure the distance between the inlet and your water valve to make sure you have the required space for the new shower unit. Next, remove the existing shower head. Then make a mark on the shower arm at the wall surface. Remove the shower arm by unscrewing counterclockwise. Measure the distance from the mark to the end of the pipe threads. Add ½ inch to this measurement and then round up to the next ½ inch. Once you establish your measurement, use the provided 1.5 brass nipple and 2 3/4 inch brass nipple extensions. Use 3 to 4 layers of provided Teflon plumbing tape and apply clockwise to the threaded ends of the nipple. Tighten the nipple clockwise to the shower wall outlet without damaging the final ½ inch of threads. Use the provided Allen wrench to secure. Next, insert the shower arm into the body of the Aloha Shower Spa. Remove the top cap for access and secure with the nut. Insert the washer into the 90-degree fitting. Use a wrench to tighten the 90-degree fitting and supply line onto the shower head arm. If using hole B or C of the mounting plate, remove the mounting plate from the Aloha. Loosen the compression nut and remove the 90-degree fitting. Cleanly cut the supply line at predetermined mark, depending on the hole choice. Then, push the supply line over the barbed portion of the 90-degree fitting. Securely tighten the 90-degree fitting with the compression nut. Use a wrench to tighten the 90-degree fitting. Remove the face of the tape layer from the mounting plate and slide the plate over the nipple through predetermined hole A, B, or C. Level the mounting plate before adhering to the shower wall. Use the retaining washer and/or the nut over the nipple to secure the mounting plate. As an option, the mounting plate can be secured using the supplied wall anchors and screws. Using a 1/4 inch tile drill bit, drill 1-inch holes and insert the anchors. Use the provided screws to fasten into the anchors. Next, insert the washer with screen into the 90-degree fitting and secure to the brass nipple. Turn on the water and check for leaks. If no leaks are present, carefully slide the Aloha onto the mounting plate and push down to secure. Insert the washer into the shower head and attach to the Aloha. Insert the washer into each end of the shower hose. Secure the hex head to the Aloha and the cone-shaped end to the hand shower. Installation of your Pulse Shower Spa is now complete. Please refer to the product owner's manual for more detailed information. Enjoy your Pulse Shower Spa. There's no better way to start your day.